Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Wednesday, May 7th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a new direct mail opportunity called Instant Pay 24/7 and how I made $400 in the last couple of days with this opportunity. If you've never seen any of my videos before, my name is Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. Been working full-time for myself since 2018. And it is my true passion to help people generate mailbox money through social media and direct mail marketing. And what I do is I'm involved in 3 direct mail opportunities now, and it's my favorite way to market. Okay, it works if you stay consistent and understand that it's not a get rich quick overnight deal, and it has higher conversion rates than email marketing. And I just love everything about it. I love the whole process of, printing letters out and putting postcards in envelopes and mailing them out. There's something about it that I just like doing more than, being on the computer all the time trying to make sales that way. So Instant Pay 24/7, it's a new program. It hasn't been around for more than 2 months now, but the owner has been in the industry for over 30 years, okay? And he has other programs in the direct mail marketing arena, okay? So he knows what he's doing. And he's a Christian family man. His family works with him, all right? So his wife, his 2 daughters and son, they all in some capacity help with his business. And I just got good vibes when I was communicating with him. So that's a big reason to why I joined this opportunity. I like to join opportunities where I know that there's not going to be any rug pulls, because in the past I've been in opportunities like that before. You invest a lot of money to start a business, and then all of a sudden the rug gets pulled out from underneath you, and you're like, what the hell happened? So now I do my due diligence before I join any opportunity. I always reach out to the owners or the admins, see how transparent they are, see if I get a good vibe. And I did that with the owner of this opportunity. So with that being said, on top of all of that, I love how the program is laid out, okay? It's $247 to start. You're going to pay your sponsor. So if you join me, you're going to pay me a $200 payment. I accept cash, money order, Cash App, Venmo, or you can use a card or Klarna through my Stripe account. And then you're going to pay the owner $47. Okay, so you're going to make $200 commissions each time you refer somebody to this opportunity. And the cool part is you can set up how you want to get paid. All right, so whatever works best for you. Now it's instant if you use one of the electronic methods. Obviously, you'll have to wait a little bit if you accept money orders or cash. But I accept those simply because I still love getting envelopes in the mail. All right, I got stacks of these going out again today. But that's part of the high that I get is when I get an envelope in the mail, even if there's only 25 bucks in it, So on top of that, you're going to get some digital products. You're going to get access to a travel and savings portal, which is far better than anything out there right now. Because I've been involved with Nexus Rewards and I've seen the other opportunities out there, and this portal is the real deal. Okay, this isn't some app or anything like that. This is, it's worth the money. Okay, let me just put it that way. And then the company, we have postcards and marketing material, and the company will actually do marketing for you if you don't want to do any marketing yourself. So this could technically be a hands-free business where you join up and let the company do the marketing for you if you want to go down that route. And on top of that, there's a really cool bonus. You get so the owner has another opportunity, his main opportunity, which has been in business now for a couple of years. And you get a free upgrade to the $595 level in this program. And that allows you to earn an additional $500 commissions on top of the $200 commissions that you'll be earning in this program, right? So when I saw that, I was like, this is an absolute no-brainer, okay? So check it out. You can go to 200profits.com. You'll check out the capture page that I use. You just enter your name, watch the video, reach out to me if you have any questions. But it's a great program. Like I said, I earned $400 already in the last couple of days. I have a phone call today with somebody at 2 who is interested in joining. And then I spoke to somebody last night who said they'd be joining today. So if they join, that'll be, you know, $800 in the last couple of days. But it's high converting. It's put together very well. And I trust and like the admin, which is a huge plus. All right. I don't join programs just to join them because, you know, if I did, there are people always coming out with new direct mail opportunities, and I like solid opportunities that I know that are going to be around for a while. And American Bill Money's been around for 20 plus years. Cash Building System Unlimited has been around for 10 years now. And the owner of this opportunity has been in the industry for 30 plus years. You know, his best month he ever had was $45,000. So he knows what he's doing, okay? 100%, and I trust him, and I like the opportunity, and I trust that you'll like the opportunity as well once you see it and watch the short 15-minute video. So go ahead to $200 Profits. I'll leave a link below this video where you can go and check out the video, and then reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. So with that being said, I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.